Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Don't forget to check us out on the web, wellbuiltequipment.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment in the comment section down below. Today we're getting down and dirty about machine capacities on slab scissor lift products. So we have a couple of brands of machines here. We're going to show you guys where the platform capacity decals are located and what they mean. So the first one we have here is a JCB 1930. A couple of different capacities on here you can see. This is one of the newer machines, so it's meeting the new ANSI standards. As part of that requirement, you have an indoor and an outdoor rating on the machine. So you have a split part here. You can see on the left hand side is our indoor rating. That's 0 mile/hour wind speed. On the right hand side is 28 miles per hour. And then the deck capacity is listed below. So 505 pound capacity here. 505 pound capacity here. Then to the right of this we have a skyjack here. Same thing, right when you climb into the platform, going to have your platform capacity decal. Lets you know the total capacity on the platform as well as the deck extension capacity. And then we'll swing back over here and we'll show you guys where they're located on one of our Genie lifts. Again, kind of a similar photo. You're going to see what the maximum platform capacity is and then what the deck extension capacity is. The reason why that's so important is the capacity changes based on how you have the machine set up. So we'll swing over this way. We have one of our JCB 1930s with the deck extension out. For those of you who don't know, the deck extension is this slide out platform that goes past the end of the machine. This has a limited capacity compared to the overall capacity of the machine itself. So whenever you use the piece of equipment, if you're intending to do something that's some heavy lifting, you got two guys in there, both of you guys are going to have to stay back here. If you're over 250 pounds, you're going to exceed the deck extension capacity. On newer machines, the way that the load cell work on these, they do have that figured in there. If you overload the deck extension capacity, or maybe a bigger guy like myself, as you drink a little bit too much beer, and you're doing some overhead drilling into some concrete, you're going to put extra force down on that deck extension and the machine's going to show a platform overload code. So now you guys are up to speed on machine capacities.